Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well and enjoy learning. I know you might be missing your school, but don't worry. I, Indu Singh, your mathematics teacher from number 1 Air Force School Gwalior, is here again to teach you, but in a very different manner. Our topic for today is Chapter 1. What is long and what is round? In this chapter, we are going to learn different subtopics like what is long, what is round, and how the things moves by rolling or by sliding. So let's begin. The first subtopic from chapter 1 is what is long. To better understand this subtopic, we are going to play a guessing game. Yes, a game. My dear students, you have to observe the pictures carefully and find out the longer one. So, are you ready for that? Let's start. In picture A, there are two different colored candles, but you have to guess which one is longer. Take your time. Right, the gray one is longer than the blue one. Let's move to picture B now. Guess which one is longer? Absolutely right. The yellow one is longer than the orange one. Let's move to picture C. Now guess which colored bus is longer? Fantastic! The red one. Finally, let's move to picture D and guess which side carrot is longer one? Fantastic! The carrot on the right hand side. So my dear students, in this way, by observing the things carefully, you can easily find out which one is longer. Children, I hope you understand the concept which one is longer and which one is shorter. So, let's move to our next subtopic, that is what is round. To better understand this concept, we are going to play an observation game. Yes, observation game. And what you have to do in this game? You have to observe the pictures carefully and find out the round objects. So, can you do that with me? Let's start. In picture 1, find out the round objects. Take your time. Okay, in picture 1, the round objects are marble, beads, balloon and ball. Now let's move to picture 2. In this picture, the round objects are grapes, dial of a watch and sweets. So my dear students, by observing the things carefully, you can easily find out which one is round. I am sure that you understand the concept what is long and what is round. To better understand the concepts, let's have some examples of round and long objects. First, round objects. Some round objects are ring, wheel, tire, coin and beads. Now some long objects, broom, tunnel, bridge, road and river. My dear students, you can also find out some examples of round and long objects in your surrounding. So keep doing it. Let's move to our next subtopic from this chapter. That is how the things move. Children, basically there are two types of movements. First, rolling. In this movement, objects roll over the surface as you can see in the picture. Some objects slide over the surface and follow sliding movement. But still, there are some objects which can both roll and slide over the surface. So let's understand this concept with various examples. Let's understand first type of movement, that is rolling. So students, here are some examples which can roll over the surface like tomato, button, pencil and ball. My dear students, you can also observe rolling by taking some examples which are available with you and try to roll over the surface. Can you do that? Now, the things which can slide over the surface. Here are some examples of sliding. Rope, bag, train and snake. These are the examples which slide over the surface. You can easily observe this type of movement by doing the experiments. So keep doing the experiments but at your home. Students, as I already told you that there are some objects which can both roll and slide over the surface. So here are some examples. Pencil, pipe, coin and glass. These are some examples which can both roll and slide over the surface. You can easily observe both type of movements by doing experiment with coin. So enjoy doing it. So to conclude this concept of movement, here are some more examples of things which can roll, things which can slide and things which can both roll and slide. Let's see the things which can roll like ball, watermelon, orange, cylinder, bangles. Now the things which slide: notebook, table, box, bag and bat. Let's move to things which both roll and slide: water bottle, coin, glass, pipe and pen. In this way, we can find out several examples under these categories. My lovely students, look what I have brought for you. This is an amazing activity. Let us see who can make the tallest tower by using different things. You can collect different things such as boxes of different kinds, balls, erasers, matchboxes, etc. and try to make your own tower. So enjoy doing it. My dear students, I am going to recapitulate the concept of tall and short from your previous classes. To do that, let's play another guessing game. Are you ready for that? So let's start. You have to observe the pictures carefully and find out the taller and the shorter one. So let's move to picture A. Can you guess which one is taller in this picture? Take your time. Right. The giraffe is taller one. Let's move to picture B now. Can you guess which one is taller in this picture? Absolutely right. The joker on the right hand side. Let's move to picture C now. Now students, you have to guess which one is shorter in this picture. Shorter. Fantastic. The tree on the left hand side is shorter than the other. Finally, let's move to picture D. Again, you have to guess which colored bottle is shorter. Right, the orange one. So, my dear students, we have revised the concept of tall and short. Hooray! We finished our chapter 1. But wait, the chapter is not over yet. Here are some amazing facts for you. My dear students, here are examples of some longest things that we know. River and train. Here are examples of some tallest things that we know. Building and giraffe. Here are examples of some narrowest things that we know. Tunnel and pipe. Here are examples of some widest things that we generally observe. Tunnel and pipe. My lovely students, I hope you understand this chapter clearly. So, thank you. Keep learning. Until then, goodbye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.